Hi again, friends. You did such a great job sorting on your assignments last night. I was so impressed. You sorted items into groups that were the same and were different, like professionals. So awesome. We're going to continue our sorting today, but today we're going to sort a little differently. I've got some bears here, and they're all different colors. I have red bears. I have blue bears. If you can see, they look exactly the same. There's just one thing different about them. I have yellow bears and I have green bears. So if we line them all up, they all look the same. None of them are wearing hats. None of them are wearing shoes. They're all different colors. And I have more that match them. So we're going to sort by color today. So you can see I have 4 different groups. That's easy. I have a blue group, a red group, a yellow group, and a green group. So I'm just going to sort my bears into the color groups. And that's what your assignment is going to be tonight on Seesaw, is a gummy bear sort. If you've already done that, no worries. You can still find things around your home to sort by color and submit that through Seesaw. If you want more practice, that is. If not, I will look at your gummy bear sort tonight. Okay, so I have this one. What color is he? No, he's not pink, silly. He's green. Remember my favorite color? So I'm going to put him with my green bear over here. Let's see. What color is this one? Red, correct? Let's see. What about this one? Yellow. Ooh, I've got more yellows. I've got 1, 2, oops, 3 more yellows. So I'm going to put all my yellows together. And I've got 3 more blues. So I'm going to put all my blues together. And I've got 3 more greens. I'm going to put those together. And then I've got 3 more reds. I'm going to put those together. Wow, that was fast. We have all of our bears sorted. I noticed that there's something else different about some of them. Look at the green ones. Can you tell me what's different? Let me see if I can. About this one and this one? Yeah, they're different sizes. Look. These are different sizes. These guys are different sizes. And these little guys are different sizes. So that means that I could also sort by size if I want to. So now we've learned how to sort by different and same attributes. We've learned how to sort by color. Remember, color is an attribute also because it describes an object. And then we also just figured out that we can sort by size if we wanted to. So lots of attributes that you can sort by if you want to. I challenge you to find things in your home that you can sort by different attributes. Remember to use that big word too with somebody, a grown-up around your house. They'll be impressed, I promise. Bye.